Hey, how's it going? It's Sam Frost here, and in this quick digital marketing video, we're looking at lookalike audiences on Facebook. So maybe you're thinking of getting into Facebook advertising, or you've been running ads for your business, and you've read online or someone's recommended to you that you should look at doing lookalike audience targeting. So basically, what does that mean? What exactly is a lookalike audience? Why is it important? What do you need to know? Long story short, a lookalike audience is where you leverage Facebook's technology that's built into their ad platform to actually go out and find people who are most similar to your current website visitors or to your current customers. So what we can do is take the Facebook pixel that you've hopefully by now got installed on your site, and if you don't have a Facebook pixel installed yet, then check out the link in the video description for some basic steps on how to do this. Once you've got your Facebook pixel set up, you can look at creating custom audiences, and I'll link in the video description as well to another video where I talk about what custom audiences are. So a custom audience might be all the people who've made it through to, say, the checkout confirmation page on your website. So they've gone on your site, they've purchased, they've made it to that sort of success, hey, thanks for placing your order page. So we could build a custom audience of those people, and then what we can actually do is go in our Facebook Ads Manager and create a lookalike audience. And that lookalike audience is basically saying to Facebook, hey Facebook, I want you to find me people who are most similar to those customers. Or even if you don't have a sort of checkout process on your website and you just want to go a bit broader, hey Facebook, find me people who are most similar to my current website visitors. So basically whatever custom audience you've created, whether it's site visitors, people who've viewed specific products, people who've purchased, leads, you can go to Facebook and basically tell them to find you people who are most similar to those current customers or current prospects. And so lookalike audiences on Facebook can be a really great way of expanding your advertising, expanding your targeting. If you've got enough data coming through your website, through your Facebook pixel, then this is honestly one of the easiest ways to say, hey, I'm going to take my advertising from just following up people who've looked at my products but haven't purchased, through to, hey, I want to find people who are sort of most closely aligned or most similar to my current customers to expand my business. And oftentimes you'll find lookalike audience targeting is more effective than demographic or interest-based targeting, although you can also overlay the two as well and sort of work it a little bit like a Venn diagram to find that sweet spot in the middle. So that's, long story short, what a lookalike audience is on Facebook. You create your lookalike audiences from within your Facebook Ads Manager by going to one of your existing audiences and then basically choosing to create a lookalike version. And you can focus your lookalikes around people who have taken specific actions or completed specific conversions as well to make it even better quality in terms of data. There's a whole lot more we can go into about lookalike audiences, which I will do in future videos. But for now, just think of a lookalike audience as leveraging Facebook's data to find you more customers who are most similar or most closely aligned to your current customers. And one thing to bear in mind with lookalikes as well is that there are different levels of sort of quality or preciseness. The closest match being that 1% lookalike. Just think of the 1% as being, these are the people who are most like my current customers, through to some of the looser options like 5% or 10%, where you're giving Facebook a bit more leeway, but the people who are going to be in that audience are not quite so precisely aligned with your current customers or your current site visitors. So I hope you find this really helpful. Just a brief explanation of what lookalike audiences are on Facebook. Please subscribe to this video if you're watching on YouTube. I've got heaps more tutorials and guides coming on these topics around Facebook advertising, digital marketing, and the like. Please leave a comment if you've got any questions or concerns. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.